Urubuado ugera nwanyị na nweta kpare ibietari I kugbobole mlanwa. None na amarikata kpare ibietari F, G kugbe H. Our last class we talked about letter E's and how they sound. Today we are going to talk about letter F, G and H. Letter F, we sound as fa, fe, fe, fi, fo, fo, fu. E.g., fa to flog or cane, fa to play, fa to play, fa to play, e.g., to play ball. Fa separate, fo clean, fo stop, fo off, foke quiet for him or her. Sentence: fokerere omiowo, keep quiet for him and let him spoil it. Letter G. G as in ga, ge, ge, gi, go, go, gu. E.g., ga strong, go serve, gun judge, gwo backbite, gwa drive, gwono look for it, gba tie it, gbano embrace him or her, ga forbid it, go happy, goro hawk, and also means to wonder. Gwogo destroy, gere to feed, gere to feed, gere to feed. Gran to melt, gen foolish, ganganre expensive. Sentence: biko gbanowe, please hug me. Now we're going to letter H, sorry. H as in ha, he, he, ho, who. E.g., he, ha, play, ho, bait, hore, fight, hairy, dress. Hairy also means style, to style. Hairy, style. Hairy, dress. Here, wait. Herowe, wait for me. Horo, fight him or her. Hra, scatter. Kwa, pay. Kwe, beat. Kwe, kill. Kwe, laugh. Kworo, play it. Kwore, wash. Kwore, wash. Kwore, wash it. Kwore, wash. Kwore, wash it. Sentence: kwore overowe, wash your face. This is where I'll end my lecture for today. In our next class, we'll talk about the next alphabet. So for now, I will say goodbye and good luck. Bye.